what's going on, guys? This is Matt, and if you haven't noticed the title of this video, welcome to what's in my camera bag of 2018. So with that being said, let's get started. So this is what I'll be carrying while going on a 3-day tour with my friends. So there's nothing like quote-unquote first in here. So let's start with the bag. It's from a company called Brain Freezer. It's no fancy one. It was the cheapest camera bag available on the Amazon India, and for the price of 900, it was a steal. I would have loved it even more if it was a tad bit bigger, but hey, a steal is a steal. It comes with removable compartments and some pockets for storing memory card and cables. So if you're down to pick one up, check the description below for a link to buy. Enough with the boring stuff. Let's get to the tech I carry. This huge gap you see in here usually gets filled by my camera, which I'm currently shooting with, the Canon 1300D. It's an entry-level DSLR made by, you guessed it, Canon. It's not great and also not bad. So if you're starting out and you want to move your passion for photography up a notch, then buy this. The lens that is currently paired with the camera is the Canon 50mm f1.8, and the shots you get out of this is just amazing. If you want a review of this lens, feel free to ask in the comment section below. The next is my 10,000 mAh power bank from Xiaomi. You can't go wrong with the power bank. It comes in very handy if I'm away from power source for a couple of days. And the next is the 18 to 55mm lens. I don't use it often, but it doesn't hurt you to have a backup, and also it's got image stabilization built in for some smooth shots. So next is my headphones, the Bose Bassets 400. For listening to audio and watching some videos and stuff, the casual use. If I'm doing something more professional like editing a video for a client, I carry a studio monitoring headphone called Audio Technica M30XS. The problem that I face with these headphones every single time is that these have a really long cable, which I hate, of course. So moving on, I got the strap for the camera. I don't personally like wearing the strap because it puts a strain on my neck and makes that whole day miserable. Then you can ask me why I'm carrying, because when I go to a show with my friends who doesn't know how to properly handle DSLR, this helps them to make the camera to stay in the neck. Hope you understood it. If not, rewind this and watch it again. The next one is a brand new film spare item called Fairy Light. Copper light, fancy light, you can call it whatever you want, but it basically goes in the background of my shoots to get shots like this. This product can instantly up your photo game in no pain. It's a cheap product. Personally, I think every photographer should have a fairy light. Even if you're not into it or it's not your style, it's better to have it as a backup, and it doesn't hurt you to try something new, right? Moving on, I got a mobile holder, mainly for an occasional analysis for a monitor while shooting a video, because you don't want to be that guy who walks back and forth to the camera to see what's going on and finally finding out that you are out of focus all the time. So if you have a squad, don't buy this product, but if you're a one-man band like me, this product is definitely worth checking out. Moving on to the next one, I got the charger for my phone and my camera batteries, the usual, and I got a lens cleaning kit which consists of a good old blower, a lens cleaner solution, and a microfiber cloth. A lens cleaning kit is one of the most essential things that you should invest on when buying a new camera, because taking good care of your camera means it will show less problems over the time, and overall it's good for your camera in the long term. All the things that I talked about in this video will be linked down below. Moving on to the other side of the bag, it's got two pockets on the sides which I don't make full use of it. Most of the times it holds my mount caps, the pen drives and the card readers and stuff, and the other pocket it holds my Zoom H1, which is the newest addition in my camera bag because it came in like 2 days ago and I'm still checking this thing out. It's so far so good. Before this I was using the Blue Snowball. I was using it for a year and it didn't work out well for my needs, so I went on and upgraded to a field recorder, which is the Zoom H1. And that's basically it, and this is what I will be carrying. The items in here might differ to the conditions, but usually this is what I carry. It's been Matt. See you another time. Peace out.